Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. We're doing a series now on miracles, signs, and wonders performed by Jesus and his disciples, going through the books of Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, and the Acts of the Holy Spirit. Now you're going to be hearing some stories repeated over and over. Hear the dogs in my neighborhood. Yes, you're going to be hearing some stories repeated over and over. But now watch that. Because what is that Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John, them see things from different perspective. So follow me again and make we build with faith as we look upon signs, miracles, and wonders. And if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with at least one somebody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. Cause you never want to miss none of what I go on, right? So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as can to Mark chapter 5 from verse 1 to verse 20. Jesus and him follower them reached the next side of Lake Galilee, in the country where the Gerasenes people them live. Same time Jesus come out of the boat, one man where did have one demon come from the burying ground and come up to him. The man did live at the burying ground, and nobody couldn't tie him up no more, not even with chain. Cause enough time people tie up his hand and his foot them with chain and iron trap. But him always bust off the chain them and broke up the iron trap them. Nobody never strong enough to control him. Night and day, him the day in the graveyard and up in the mountain, a ball out and a cut up himself with stone. When the man spot Jesus from far, him run go drop down on his knee in front of him. Then him ball out pan top of him voice, say, "Left me no Jesus, the most high God boy pitney. Me I beg you, for God's sake, no make me suffer." Him say that cause Jesus did tell him say, "Come out of that man ya, you demon you." So Jesus asked him say, "Where your name?" And he answer back, "Me name Holy Heap, cause enough are we there." Then he beg and beg Jesus, enough, to send them out of the area. Pan the hillside, he did have one whole heap of aganyam. So the demon them beg him say, "Send we go in at the ag them. Make we go in at them." Jesus make them go on. So the demon them come out of the man and go straight in at the ag them. Then the whole of the ag them, about 2,000 of them, take off down the steep hillside and drown in at the lake. When that happen, the man them will look after the ag them, run go spread the news in a town and the place them where they near the town. So the people them come out to see what happen. And when they reach where Jesus there, them see the man with it having demon. Him did a sit down there, having clothes, and in him right mind. And the people them catch them afraid. The one them where did see what happened to the man where did have in the demon. Tell everybody what did happen. And them talk about the hug them too. Then the people them beg Jesus to left them area. When Jesus did a go in at the boat, the man where did have in the demon did a beg to go with him. But Jesus never make him go with him. Instead of that, him said to him, say, go to your yard, go to your owner people them, and tell them all what the Lord do for you. Tell them how him good and kind to you. So the man left and start spread the news all over the 10 city them, where they call Decapolis. Him tell them all what Jesus do for him. And everybody did shock when them hear. A God wrote this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.